What's good, Magnature fam, and welcome again to the channel. Today we will be talking about avocado. Remember, this is my garden, and in this garden we take natural products or natural ingredients to treat major health challenges. And today we're going to be talking about avocado. Okay, in my country where I come from, we know it as pear. Okay, and a lot of you might not even know the benefit of this particular plant around you. And this is Africa. At this particular time in Africa, we have a lot of avocado or a lot of pear in our farms, in our house, in our gardens, and all of that. And so please, avocado is very important to your health, and you should never joke with avocado. After watching this video today, you will never joke with avocado. Now, this is avocado. A lot of us, we go to the farms, we get this part. We eat it. Oh, it's so nice. So, very good. And after that, we are so happy that, oh, we have eaten avocado. But what we don't realize is that we eat this part, which is very good, okay? But later on, we throw away the seed of avocado. This is the mistake we are making. Statistics have proven and research have proven that avocado has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties that can help you solve a lot of health challenges. But when we eat avocado, we throw away the seed. And this is where the magic, okay, this is where the miracle is in avocado, the seed of avocado. So after watching this video today, you will never in your life throw away the seed of avocado, because this is where everything happens. Okay, so aside from that, you can use avocado to treat a lot of health challenges. Of course, I've been very sick, that's why I've not uploaded videos in this channel for more than 2 weeks today, and it is thanks to this particular plant, avocado, that I'm regaining my health. So guys, watch this video to the end and see why you will never in your life throw away this magic seed or the seed of avocado. In short, if there is one thing in your home that you should never joke with, is this. Now, the advice I want to give you is there are a lot of these plants, okay? This particular plant, avocado, is actually, there's a lot of it now. Go ahead where they are selling it, buy it, get the seeds, grind it, and dry, okay, and keep it for future use. Okay, so this seed, after watching this video, you will never throw this seed away. So guys, keep on sharing, subscribing, and make sure you use avocado to treat and help other people with other health challenges. Thank you very much, and keep on sharing. Bye.
The health benefits of avocado seeds and how to use them. Avocados are one of nature's healthiest sources of fat in the world and are classed as a superfood. Many people do not realize that the large brown seed of this fruit is also packed full of nutrients and can be eaten safely. In today's video, we will highlight 16 facts and benefits of avocado seeds and explain how to use it easily at home. 1. Anti-cancer. Avocado seeds contain a natural chemical called biscatechin, which has been shown in some studies to help fight off tumors. This has been used by some leukemia patients alongside regular treatments to help fight off the disease. 2. Fights inflammation. Many people are aware that avocados are one of the healthiest superfoods. However, the seed is actually a richer source of antioxidants than the pulp of the fruit. Eating the seed helps to reduce pain and swelling throughout the body, especially if you suffer with arthritis and joint pain. 3. Fights Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's disease is one of the worst neurological diseases which can cause damage to the brain as we get older. Modern research shows that the phytochemicals found inside avocado seeds can help to protect the brain against this disease. It contains alkaloids, terpenoids, and saponins, which can help to support those who are already showing signs of the disease. 4. Digestive health. The best way to consume the seed is drying it out and powdering into healthy smoothies. Avocado powder is a rich source of dietary fiber which can help with digestive problems like gastric ulcers, diarrhea, and constipation. Soluble fiber is very important when fixing any problems in the digestive system. 5. Blood sugars. We always recommend avocados for those suffering with high blood sugars, type 2 diabetes, pre-diabetes, or are overweight. The healthy fats in avocado help to buffer blood sugars and keep cravings for sugary foods at bay. The fiber found in the seed also helps to keep blood sugars under control. 6. Weight loss. We highly recommend consuming avocados, including their seeds, on a daily basis when trying to lose weight. The entire fruit is loaded with nutrients that help to regulate insulin levels and trigger fat burning. Avocados help to strip away unwanted fat from the liver so that you can tap into your own fat reserves for energy. 7. Skin health. Beauticians love to use avocado seeds for the skin. Simply take the seed from a fresh ripened avocado and blend with a little olive oil to make a facial mask. Use this solution to scrub your skin. This will help to fight acne, unclog pores, and produce radiant skin due to the many phytochemicals it contains. 8. Fight pathogens. The seed of the avocado is also rich in polyphenols, which help to fight off harmful microbes and fungi infections. They contain catechins, chlorogenic, and protocateoic acids, which help to keep meat products fresh when added. Avocado oil is also a great source of these nutrients to help ward off infections in the body. 9. Pink dye. You can crush and blend avocado seeds with water and then boil to produce a pink dye. This can be used to colour all kinds of fabric and as a natural food colouring. The longer you boil the water, the colour changes and deepens into a maroon pigment. 10. Relaxation tea. Calcium, magnesium and potassium found within the seed are also great for relaxation. Simply boil the avocado pit with 2 cups of water for 10 minutes to make avocado seed tea. This may taste a little bitter, so add some stevia or erythritol for a little sweetness if you wish. 11. Hair wash. The natural phytochemicals found in the avocado seed are also useful for restoring healthy hair growth and fighting off dandruff. Simply grate the avocado pit and mix with your regular shampoo. This will help to kill any fungus present on the scalp so that the hair follicles may grow freely and unobstructed. 12. Heart health. The avocado seeds, leaves, oil and pulp are all excellent for improving the health of the heart. The high amount of potassium and polyunsaturated fats helps to regulate blood pressure and strengthen the heart. This can lower the risk of cardiovascular disease and heart problems, especially as we get older. 13. How to use. Use a sharp knife to remove the seed from the avocado. Rinse in cold water and then dehydrate this at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 hours in the oven. Once the seed is dehydrated, it should be placed in a high-speed food processor to form the powder. Use avocado seed powder in herbal teas, smoothies, sauces, stir-fries and healthy dips. 14. Origins. Avocados were originally grown in Mexico and Colombia around 7,000 years ago and were a staple for the Aztecs and Incas. These are now grown all over the world in warm climates and are considered one of the healthiest superfoods on the planet. 15. Other avocado uses. We highly recommend using avocado pulp to make a tasty guacamole, especially when following a healthy eating plan such as keto. You can also use avocado oil to replace unhealthy vegetable oils and works well with stir-fries and baking. Avocado leaves are also well known for their medicinal properties and are used by herbalists in the form of a tea for healing. 16. Drawbacks. The seed contains a natural fungicide called persin, which may be toxic to animals. This is considered safe for humans as it is easily broken down in the digestive system. Some studies show that persin may actually fight breast cancer cells, however more research is currently required. Another drawback is that the process of drying out the seed and powdering it can take quite some time, where it may be easier to get your phytonutrients from leafy greens like kale, collard greens and Brussels sprouts. As you can see, avocado seeds have some amazing health benefits which you may not be aware of. So instead of throwing away these seeds, you may consider drying them out and adding them into your diet for some extra nutrition. If not, be sure to throw these into your compost bin to make a richer and more mineral-dense soil for growing herbs and plants in your garden. To learn more about healthy foods, nutrition and natural remedies, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening, a like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.